Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Chime. Access online banking features step by step clearly. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone or computer. If you are using a phone, install the official Chime app from the App Store or Google Play. If you are using a computer, open a trusted web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the browser, type chime.com and press enter to go to the official Chime website. On the website, find and click the login button near the top of the page. In the Chime app, tap the login option on the first screen. Enter the email address you used when you created your Chime account. Double-check for typos, especially extra spaces or missing letters. Type your Chime password carefully with correct uppercase and lowercase characters. If your device offers password autofill, confirm it is filling the correct Chime login details. Tap or click Login to submit your email and password. If prompted, complete any security check such as a code sent by SMS or email. Enter the verification code exactly as received and submit it quickly before it expires. If you see a Remember Me option, use it only on a private device you control. If login fails, select Forgot Password to reset your password securely. Follow the reset link or code instructions and create a strong new password. Return to the login screen and sign in again with your updated password. After logging in, confirm you are on your account dashboard or home screen. Check your balance to verify you are viewing the correct account information. Tap or click Transactions to review recent activity and spending details. Use Move Money or Transfer to send money, add funds, or manage transfers. Open Pay Anyone if you want to send money to another person from Chime. Go to Settings to update your profile, security options, and notification preferences. Enable biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint if your device supports it for faster access. If you are on a shared computer, avoid saving passwords in the browser. When finished, open the menu and choose Logout to protect your account. Close the app or browser tab after logging out for extra security. If you suspect unusual activity, change your password and contact Chime support immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.